So now we're going to talk about how to write fractions as percent. To write a fraction as a percent, you want to try to write an equivalent fraction with 100 in the denominator. Consider the fraction 6/8 as a percent. Writing fraction as a percent is very similar to writing a fraction as a decimal. You want to try to get the denominator to be 100 or 10. And a lot of times, you can look for those easy denominators such as 2 or 4 or 5 or 50 or 25. The second strategy is to look and see if the fraction can be simplified. And in this case, it can. 6/8 can be written as 3/4 in simplest form. And we know that 3/4 is the same thing as 75/100. And 75/100 is 75%. As soon as you get the fraction out of 100, all you need to do is write the numerator and put the percent sign. Let's consider this example. Mitch made 12 out of 40 shots during the championship game. What percent of his shots did he make? So take 12/40. First, make sure the denominator isn't an easy one, such as 100 or 50 or 4 or 2. Second strategy is what we're talking about today. Simplify the fraction. If you can simplify the fraction, a lot of times the simplified fraction will have an easy denominator. In this case, 3/10. 3/10 is the same thing as 30/100, which is 30%. You try this problem to see if you understand what I'm talking about. 19 out of 25. Alana spelled 19 out of 25 words correctly. What percent is this? So if you have 19 out of 25, first strategy is to look to see, can you simplify it? And the answer here is no. The second strategy is to try to make this into 100. So in this case, 25 times 4 is 100. So all we have to do is multiply the numerator by 4, and that will give us, let's see, check that out. 19 times 4 will give us 76. Once you have the denominator as 100, you just take the numerator and write the percent sign. I want you to try these 5 problems, copy them onto your note sheet, and bring your answers to class tomorrow. I will see you then.